What an extraordinary 4 days we've had here in the United Kingdom and also around the world, celebrating the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, 70 years on the throne. From that troop in the colour to flyovers Buckingham Palace to lighting of beacons to street parties to services of gratitude to that incredible concert where I think the lighting and the sound people stole the show, to the pageant. Millions of people in this nation and from around the world. In fact, yesterday at the pageant, they believe 1 billion people were viewing the pageant. Millions of people all around the world celebrating this moment, looking into the past and celebrating the positivity of the past, being mindful of this moment and celebrating this moment, and also looking to the future with positivity and optimism. Don't we all need a little bit more of that in the world today? Seeing the crowds of people from all over the world standing shoulder to shoulder with their family, their friends, their neighbors, complete strangers from all diversity, from all cultures and backgrounds and nations, all standing united in this one moment of celebration. It was a beautiful, beautiful thing to witness and be a part of. And it also validates something that I've always known to be true. You see, in a world where we can easily focus on all the pain, all the suffering, the division, the hatred, the tearing of people down, and we focus on that when it's so prevalent in the news and so prevalent on social media, we kind of think that that's all there is to the world. But I've known this to not be true. It's just a small part of the world. The vast majority of this world and the people in it are positive, optimistic, and are making a difference and value others. And it's an incredibly beautiful and extraordinary world we live in. And these last 4 days, have just shown how when millions of people can come together, standing shoulder to shoulder against a common cause, a common celebration of positivity, look at what's possible. 1 billion people tuning in. So my message is, it's not revolutionary, it's not new, but it is a case of worth reminding us of what's possible when we come together and we unite and we celebrate and we're positive and we focus on the positive. Look what's possible. And maybe we can bring just a smidgen of these last 4 days, a smidgen of that into our personal and professional lives each and every day. Think about how can you bring that feeling? How can you focus on the positive? How can you celebrate? Who can you lift up? Who can you celebrate their achievements? Who can you surround yourself with? What can you do to add value and make a difference in this world rather than focusing on all the stuff that's not going right? Because that's always going to be there, but so is everything worth celebrating. So that's my message from this. That's my big takeout from this, seeing that unity, seeing what's possible when we focus on the positive and knowing that it's a huge amount of people on this planet that want that live like that want to surround themselves with that and be a part of that. Maybe we can just make sure that it's a part of each and every day, not just the last 4 days. So if you were part of the celebrations over the last 4 days, it was an absolute pleasure and privilege to be there with you and be a part of that. And of course, to Mom, well, thank you.